Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a free shipping discount on Shopify. So if you want to make it a free shipping promote on Shopify, actually it's not the free shipping, but you take out the shipping cost on your Shopify calculation checkout. So you go to your homepage of your Shopify and then click discounts here, and then here you can see there is an option of create a discount on the right corner, and then you can click discount code, and then here you can see you can generate the code by clicking this one, or you can custom code the promotional code. It's up to you. You can make it best in best practice. You have to put the alphabet and the numbering to make it looks like more promotional code. And then the types, you can just click the free shipping. You can the countries, you can select the countries or all countries, and then you can opt in the shipping rates, and then you can make the requirement for minimum purchase or minimum quantity of items. You can click this one. For me, I'm using the IDR or Indonesian rupiah currencies. For you, maybe USD, maybe pound sterling, and so on. And then customer, you can choose only specific segment of your customer or everyone. For me, I usually use everyone. And then you search the limits. You can limit the issue of your promotional this shipping code. And then the dates also, you can set the dates, and then you can click save discount after you opt in all this option and features. And then after that, people or customer who use this code will get the shipping, the free shipping. It's not automatically free shipping, but you can make it like this. Or if you don't want to using this code, you can take out the calculation of shipping from your Shopify. So you can in the product section, you can make it no shipping, or make it as digital products, whereas no shipping required. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put on the comment below. Thank you.